In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Polymarket account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up a web browser and go to polymarket.com and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, I've noticed if I go ahead and click onto the gear icon settings, there's no actual way to delete your account this way. So what we need to do is click onto our account and then click onto support. Then a little support box is going to appear, and now we want to ask a question. So basically say, hey, I would like to delete my account, can you help me? So basically you want to go through the process and they're going to get back to you and they're going to show you, or they're going to confirm your deletion. So here you go, I can help you guide through the account deletion process. So here's what you need to do. So make sure your account has no USD and make sure you have no redeemable market shares. Now to request deletion, provide your account wallet address, reason for the deletion, and change your bio to delete at polymarket.settings. So if I go into here, let's see what they mean by change your bio to delete. Okay, so I think they mean put in delete like so. Then it says once you completed these steps, you can submit your deletion request. Did that answer your question? So now in this little chat message, we need to say your wallet account address here, put that in for number one, and then reason for the deletion number two, and then we've done delete. Just make sure to save changes here like so, and then they're going to go ahead and request that or complete that request for you.